Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I am here in the lobby of Briggs School, and this is in Santa Paula, California. This is the Briggs School District, and my first time visiting this particular school, I got to speak to all the grades today, 5 through 8. And I've been to Olive Lands in the past. I'll be there again tomorrow to share my hearts. But the focus for today's assembly was all about leadership and turning our passion into our purpose, right? So really thinking about what it is that we love to do, even at a young age, to start getting the wheels turning. It's never too young to start thinking about that. And we had the assemblies in the room, the space right behind me, near the stage area. And the focus that I really wanted to really have them understand is to know that whatever it is that does bring us that life and makes us come alive, we can turn that into why we're here on this planet, right? That we can start to think about, what it is that brings us that joy, and then go look for ways to help others with our talent, with our gift, with our abilities. And they really got that. There was a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of students that shared their feedback with me after the programs, just saying that something touched their heart. And the reason I have this shirt for this particular assembly, this design, is because we have the peace sign in different colors to show the different leadership styles. Some people are more vocal, like myself. They speak a lot more. They lead with their voice. Some people just lead by example through their actions, right? And we also have the heart. You can kind of see the shape of a heart, because that's where passion begins, right? That's where passion starts. And the more we can listen to that and start thinking along those lines, what we are passionate about, then we can go out into this planet, out into our communities, our schools, and start to shine our light, right? Shine like the stars that we talked about in today's program too. And what we're doing, we're not doing and bragging about it and saying, hey, look at me, I'm being a leader. We're not doing it for a trophy, like you see the ones behind me here, right? When you walk into their school entrance, but we're doing it for the right reasons, right? We're doing it because it's the right thing to do. And we're living and leading both humbly, right? We're putting people first and things second. I talk about that a lot too, that people can be part of our passion, right? And then helping others is part of our purpose. And to already, really focus on that at a young age is huge, right? To just start knowing that we can do what's right even when no one's watching, to try to be like a bowling ball. We talked about that example as well with a quick lesson, that someone who's a bowling ball versus a balloon is someone that stands for something, right? That has values, that has character, that really has this strong foundation, and that they're not going to be as affected by the negative peer pressure that comes along. They're going to go farther in life, and they're going to just be able to lift others up and inspire others along the way, because that's part of what we're trying to do as well, right? Is to not only, us be that change and lead that change, but also go look to lift others up even higher than ourselves. This means to see them as people first, but also as this too. We all have the letter M on the palm of our hands. I always bring this up in every presentation, every assembly that I give, and some of the students that saw me years ago at Olive Lands today even remembered this. But that M, we have one in each hand. I traced one of mine here, stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, right, then we have to go help others, believe this too. Sometimes remind them, be that light to their heart so they know their worth, their value, and that we can help them see that too. That's part of being a leader, right? To be someone else's helping hands and to just do our part each and every day in every way possible, to be a best friend, to have that courage to stand up for what's right, and to just keep spreading peace. You guys are beautiful. Thank you so much for letting me come share my heart with all of you. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation, and feel free to also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol that you see on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.